For brewing. Check this out.
Barbecue.
Frankenstein's coaster. Apple pie beaver tail. You never know who you're gonna find when you're in Niagara Falls. The activities of the day, we're gonna go ahead and take a walk down into the downtown section here on the Niagara Falls, Canada side. Explore some of the shops, maybe take in some of the attractions. Starting with here, Hard Rock Cafe. Everybody knows Hard Rock Cafe. That's very windy. Ooh, very windy. And down here, there's a Starbucks down there in the Rainforest Cafe. This is a Sheridan Inn Falls view. I can feel some of the mist from the waterfalls right now, actually. Everybody knows Starbucks. It exists in all the countries we seem to see. We had some there in Tokyo at our last video a month or so ago. Well, a couple months ago, I think it was. Rainforest Cafe.
How about here?
Okay, we're now on Clifton Hill Street, and our first dive into some of the fun and game and some of the attractions. Movie Land on the left. Extreme Movie Ride 4D entrance here. 4D Extreme Dinosaur. Oh, the kettles for brewing. Check this out. Rainforest Cafe. They have live music here. There. Rainforest Cafe. Check it out, check it out. Has an arcade over on the right, and I'm sure it has a dining facility just like they do down at Walt Disney Theme Park.
Please and thank you.
Here's the cafe and the fish tank. Check it out. Ooh, there's a unicorn fish. Isn't that cool? You want to look at the menu here?
No, I want to eat
Nice. Alrighty. There it is. Place to eat and shop. Rainforest Cafe. Now we got a construction zone.
And then you can stop on that side. It takes a minute.
Wax Museum of the Stars. I remember that. Pirate Trail Putt. The Fun House. There's the Fun House with Ruby Tuesdays.
Tiki Bridge. Watch out.
Let's go here. Let's go fast. Bronto's Playland, the haunted house. Look at that. Look at that. This is Big Top Mirror Maze, Laser, Dracula's Haunted Castle, the Great Canadian Midway, Fudge Factory. There you go, Gags and Giggles, gift shop and shirts and such. The Blue Moose. Look at that Bigfoot right there, Vanjie. There you go, Bigfoot for my daughter. Cool. Strike Game Zone. Boston Pizza. There's the Skywheel, Ferris wheel. Oh wow, look at that. Dole Whip and Mango Whip. Samosas, isn't that something unique? The Hillbilly Shooting Gallery.
Careful though, hit the wrong target and you might get whipped yourself.
There's a Burger King. Let's go. Is that what you wanted? Right there. Look, shawarmas, fusion wrap shawarmas. And Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. That looks like a guy really climbing.
Snatchers and the Hunchback. This generation is half of the Swedish, especially through the torture
Road.
What's that?
Bar food.
No.
Bar food. Let's go then.
That's barbecue.
Frankenstein's coaster.
the guillotine.
Hey, here's some beaver tails. These are famous. We have to come back later. All right.
There's a burger factory.
Selfie studio.
Burger factory, you want that?
No.
Or you want this? There's more over
Just go over there. Waxworks. The Guru Indian. There.
You want to eat here at Kelsey?
Go look at the menu, see if you like it.
There's the
We'll go check out Kelsey's for somewhere to eat. There's Montana Barbecue. So
probably the rainbow.
Mediterranean ribs. Pick your chicken. Pick your flavor. Appies, appetizers, Billy Burger, mushroom melted burger, barbecue chicken club, Nashville messy fish. They got steaks, they got fish, they got chicken. They have balsamic vinegar, salty Vinny fish and fries, plus your other stuff there. Coaster on the top. Looks like a kiddie coaster that's up on the top. Yeah. Ripley's Selfie Studio. Okay.
apologize, but we lost audio during this portion of the video, so I'll give you a brief voiceover. We're going to go ahead and have dinner in the Rainforest Cafe, which is the same chain that we ate down in Orlando, Florida. Out there in the front, they had this cool saltwater aquarium tank where we were checking out this moray eel. It was quite thick, but it was only about 4 feet long. There's actually a pretty cool variety. There's a grouper fish right there in the back with a horn. We called those a unicorn fish when I lived in Okinawa that was eaten by the locals. They had a pretty good variety of saltwater aquarium fish there. Quite impressive. And there is that moray eel again with that unicorn fish that just swam right past us. That moray was just hanging around the top. But I know triggerfish just pulled up. So let's go ahead and resume normal audio.
Kind of dark in here, but there's the restroom. Rescue the rainforest, what it says. Not sure how well this will come out. I have a giraffe and a gorilla and elephants over here. Alrighty. Not sure if we're going to be able to hear all this, but you can hear all the rumbling right now. Not sure. Oh, look at the elephants. They're moving over there. Not sure if it's supposed to be a storm or not. All right, let's give it a go here and let's see what's on the menu. Check out the elephants over here. Why nobody's at the table. Whenever that rumble starts happening, the elephants start moving their ears. So you can see a parrot and a hippopotamus and a rhino. Oh, their eyes are moving a little bit. Giraffe. And here's our table again. I wanted to share with you what they brought out today. I have a mic, so hopefully you pick me up well. But this is their pulled pork burger that has, looks like some grilled onions and coleslaw in it. And it's a pretty robust burger. I took a bite out of it. Sorry, I forgot to start the camera. So anyways, you can see it has a burger section, a pulled pork, coleslaw with the onion rings. Or fried onions. It looks like it's a grilled onion type thing on there with the bread. So let's give it a try. It's actually pretty good. The burger's cooked medium, just the way I like it. I can taste the crunchiness of how they've done the onions, and there's a barbecue zing to it from the pulled pork. And then you top on the coleslaw, and you get that little bit of that slight coleslawy taste on the top. So all in all, it's a pretty good thumbs up on that one. And this one came from fries. So I like the fries. They're pretty good. They're like a fresh cut fry. Almost, I can see the potato skin on some of these. So fresh cut fries with my pulled pork on top of a hamburger is pretty good. So I'll give that a thumbs up. And after this, I think we're gonna go out and try to find us a beaver tail and some of those, oh, I forgot what the name of them, Canadian fries that have the cheese curds on them. What's it called?
Hershey's chocolate factory.
Oh, Hershey chocolate. No, there's a Canadian fries that I'm supposed to try that has a cheese curds on them. And we'll walk up that way as we head up the road and we get a little bit of more space in the belly. Volcano dessert, I guess. Now, there you go. When you have a birthday, they get a volcano. We'll get with you as we walk down this area of Niagara Falls on the Canadian side. In this area where all the shops and the rides and the wax museums and the Ripleys and all that are at. Beaver tail?
Any drinks or anything else?
No, I just wanted to try one of those. That's it.
$10 sauces. Okay.
All right. Never seen those before, so I wanted to give it a try.
Just press the bottom.
A beaver tail. Apple pie beaver tail. I'm going to give it a go here. Apple pie beaver tail. Smells good. Has some cinnamon on it. They deep fried this pastry bed, and you kind of get a size for it. Wow, tastes like an apple pie, but a very crispy, light, flaky, deep fried pastry based on it. Tastes of cinnamon sugar. So definitely unique. So thumbs up for the beaver tail. Oh, well, we get to Mrs. here. What do you think of it?
It's actually good. Just
Take another bite.
sugar.
That's a beaver tail. That's the beaver tail, so it looks pretty good. All right, well, let's go to the next place.
Be warned, this is not for the people.
Waxworth, the Guru Indian cuisine. Nightmares Fear Factor. I see down that way. And I don't know if that's copyright music or not, so we're gonna just talk over it a minute here. We're gonna cross the street and check out the souvenir shop, discount souvenirs. All right. Currency exchange. No, they don't put it on there. Normally people put the currency exchange on the window. $3 for $10.99 t-shirts right there. All right, so I believe the missus is gonna go in there and look for some pasalubong, or gifts for our family and friends. wanted to walk up this way because I've seen the Ferris wheel over here. And there's a go-kart track. It goes up like 4 levels there. Hyper Ride, Chaos Carnival over there in the yellow. Carnival Chaos Hyper Ride. I'm not sure what that is. Have to go over and check that out. But there's a Mexican restaurant there, the Subway, no more souvenirs. And over here is on the corner of Central Street, Clifton Hill, and Kelsey's across the street there. Oh, there's a Montana Barbecue and Grill. Want to check out over here, they have the Niagara Speedway and the Sky Wheel. Well, we might as well see the price for the Ferris wheel. It's $39.95 plus applicable taxes. One thing you have to remember here in Canada, what the price is shown is always Canadian, and there's going to be a tax and a tourist type fee added on top of it. So be prepared for that. The exchange rate is still favorable for the dollar, but just be cautious of where you're looking at and the prices. Oh, I wanted to show you this. Zombie Attack 60 Adventure. $9.99 a person, or that's like $6 US. Dippin' Dots. I'm not sure what this Carnival Chaos Hyper Ride is. Again, that is $10 a person as well. Let me see what this is. People coming out. Okay. Oh, they actually have they actually have guns in it, like the Men in Black ride there at Universal, where you shoot and whoever hits the most, whatever they are, hits the most targets wins. All right, let's check over here. Working our way over to the trading company. There's a Dinosaur Adventure Golf. The T-Rex, a mountain, Brachiosaurus, Stegosaurus. My monster names are not too good. Oh, there's one from the Amazon. Or there's the one for the, what was that one? That's from the Jurassic Park. Don't know what that is. That's a pretty good Ferris wheel. Sky wheel, I guarantee those are air conditioned. Yeah, I see the air conditioning on top. Wow, that is huge. That is huge. Well, the missus wants me to go into the Canadian Trading Company. Let's check that out. Oh, another Pasalubong, our gift shop. Let me take a gander here. T-shirt, hoodies, wallets, fridge magnets, superhero stickers, jellies, spices, cream fudge, maple syrup, whatever that is, mojito, pineapple, coconut, strawberry, watermelon mojito. This one has quite a bit of wood carved type items. Oh, that's kind of cool. the various quite nice placards for like Man Cave, My Tools, My Rules. I am a Canadian. Friends welcome anytime. Family by appointment. A house is not a home without paw prints. This home is built on love and shenanigans, so that's kind of interesting. Purses. Butterflies. Bugs. Scorpion. Okay, that's interesting. Coffee cups. More fridge magnets. This one right here, it's got some pretty cool fridge magnets, so keychains, slippers. Back here on the main strip, right across from the Japanese steakhouse and the IHOP. Hillbillies. Oh, there you go. Canadian flip-flops. Canadian flip-flops. There you go. Well, there you have. The Canadian Trading Company has all the gift items you could ever want with a Canadian twist added to them. Oh, and there's their purses. For those ladies out there that like the bling bling purses. Ooh, that's pretty shiny. Look at that rhinestone. More fancy purses. Types of moccasins and dream catchers, Native Americans type items. Okay. Well, let's continue on to the next stop. You can see that, but that's Frankenstein eating a Whopper next to the IHOP. Working our way down to Boston Pizza. Dracula's Castle. We just passed the Sky Whale, and that was six attraction and $139. The Sky Whale's $15. Wait a second, I gotta get this for a little bit. You never know who you're gonna find when you're in Niagara Falls, Canada. Bigfoot. Pirates Putt-Putt.
If you go,
Classic chicken shawarma.